What's up guys, welcome to the Macintosh review for another video. In this video I wanted to talk about the new October event that Apple is scheduled to have next week in Brooklyn, New York. The event is scheduled for October 30th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and there's going to be a lot of exciting new products shown off, and I'm excited to see what they actually have in store for us. In this video I specifically want to focus on the iPad Pro and the Mac Mini, but I'll also mention a few other smaller updates that we can expect at this event. Now before I jump in, if you guys are new here, welcome, and if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe and click the bell button so you are notified of any new videos that I post when they are posted. I really appreciate it. Also be sure to click the like button below the video because I'm sure you will love the content I post here on Apple and all technology in general. Now each year Apple actually sends out invitations with different artwork to kind of hint at what they will be revealing at their event. And this year they sent out many different Apple logos, which is a new tactic, as they usually sent out one or two artwork pieces, and this year it really makes you wonder what is going to be released. Although, of course, we do have a pretty good idea of what to expect, which I will get into in just a second. Now, I will have a few of these logos in the video for you guys to check out, and they are all available on Apple's website. Very interesting stuff, very cool stuff. And I have heard rumors that these were all drawn on the Apple Pencil on the new iPad Pro, but there isn't really any confirmation of that, so it's just interesting. Not really sure what to make of these logos personally, but I am excited for the event. Let me know what you guys think these logos mean in the comments. So the main update that we are expecting at this event is the iPad Pro. Now the iPad Pro is rumored to have an all-new design. It's going to have a screen similar to the iPhone XS or XS Max with very, very thin bezels with Face ID. I do not expect there to be a notch on the top of the device, but there will not be a home button, and the processor inside will be the Apple A12. So it will sort of be similar to the new iPhone XS design and should be a great new upgrade. Now, a major new feature that is rumored includes the USB-C connector, which was actually rumored because of a USB-C Apple Watch charger that was leaked out to the public, suggesting that you can charge an Apple Watch or other accessories using the iPad Pro almost to compete with the Microsoft Surface, making it much more like a laptop. Now, I'm not sure how well that would work. We're going to have to wait and see, but I really am interested to see what they come out with here. I personally have not used an iPad in quite some time, so this is just another Apple product for me, but for those of you who are looking for another iPad Pro, I'm sure you will be satisfied with this new update. Now the second major release we are expecting at this event that I'm super excited about is a refreshed Mac Mini. Now it is going to have a total redesign and an update. We have not seen a new Mac Mini in 4 years, over 4 years, so I expect this to be a big deal. It could be either a tube tower design or a box design like the previous Mac Pros, or something entirely new. It's obviously going to have an updated processor with new internals, an SSD, or a Fusion drive, better processor. I expect this to be a major update, guys. Now, we have officially used a Mac Mini in my family for about the past 8 years or so, and I'm super excited for this new refresh. There have not been too many rumors about the machine just yet, but I do expect Apple to put a lot of effort into the machine to try to make it as exciting as possible because we have not seen a refresh in over 4 years. Now, in terms of what new features will be included outside of the standard design changes and internals, we're unsure, and there haven't really been too many release details yet, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on this channel. A fun fact about the Mac Mini, Apple actually at one point over the past 4 years thought about cutting this product from their lineup, but with so much of a demand, guys, from the public, they did not actually cut it, and this refresh should be very exciting due to that fact. Now, there are some smaller updates to expect. Something that will be smaller is the MacBook Air is rumored to get an update. It probably will still be relatively cheap, and it is supposed to have a Retina display and a few other new updates, but outside of that, just like the Mac Mini, we'll just have to wait and see with what they release. They're also rumored to have Apple Pencil 2 with better pairing and just probably more responsiveness, general updates. Again, I don't really use an iPad, so this is just for the iPad users out there. AirPods 2 is rumored to be released here. I don't think we will see that. I think we're going to see that in 2019, as the AirPods right now, I think, are pretty standard. They might actually come out with AirPods 2 next year, though. Moving on, there will be a new Mac Pro Apple display, supposedly. I do see that actually being released. That's just the display, so it should just have the incremental updates as usual. And iOS 12.1 is also rumored to be released here. I do see that happening as well. It's a very, very simple thing for Apple to roll out software updates. so don't be surprised if that is released at this event as well. But overall, guys, that's a wrap on the Apple October event for next week. I'm very much looking forward to it. Stick around for more updates. I will be posting here when the event actually rolls around so you don't miss any videos. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for more content, as I will be uploading more videos soon. And be sure to check out the links in the description for more content, or click the links in the video to check out some of my other videos. Definitely watch my other videos to stay up to date. And as usual, guys, stay awesome, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.